Hello, everyone. Welcome to EngGlowUp, the channel where we turn everyday moments into English learning.
That's right. And today, we're doing something a little special, a full shadowing practice together.
Yep, we'll walk you through a complete morning routine, from waking up to leaving home, with short, natural sentences you can repeat after us.
Just relax, listen, and speak along with us. The goal isn't perfection. It's practice, rhythm, and confidence.
Exactly. So, ready to start your morning with English? Let's go.
Let's imagine it's 6 a.m. and the alarm goes off. You're just waking up. Say the sentences after us, nice and easy.
I wake up at 6 in the morning. I wake up at 6 in the morning.
Sometimes I hit the snooze button. Sometimes I hit the snooze button.
I feel a little sleepy, but I try to get up. I feel a little sleepy, but I try to get up.
I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath.
I check my phone for a few minutes. I check my phone for a few minutes.
I read a few messages from my friends. I read a few messages from my friends.
I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly.
I open the curtains to let the sunlight in. I open the curtains to let the sunlight in.
The morning light feels nice and fresh. The morning light feels nice and fresh.
I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly.
I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel.
I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly.
I open my closet to choose what to wear. I open my closet to choose what to wear.
I pick a shirt and a pair of jeans. I pick a shirt and a pair of jeans.
I put on my clothes carefully. I put on my clothes carefully.
I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces.
I check myself in the mirror. I check myself in the mirror.
I smile. I look ready for the day. I smile. I look ready for the day.
I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth.
I pick up my toothbrush and toothpaste. I pick up my toothbrush and toothpaste.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I rinse my mouth with water. I rinse my mouth with water.
I wash my face with cool water. I wash my face with cool water.
The cold water helps me wake up. The cold water helps me wake up.
I look in the mirror and smile. I look in the mirror and smile.
I take a shower to feel fresh. I take a shower to feel fresh.
I use soap and shampoo. I use soap and shampoo.
The warm water feels relaxing. The warm water feels relaxing.
I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen.
I open the fridge to see what's inside. I open the fridge to see what's inside.
I take out some eggs and bread. I take out some eggs and bread.
I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee.
I cook some eggs for breakfast. I cook some eggs for breakfast.
I toast the bread until it's golden. I toast the bread until it's golden.
I spread butter on the toast. I spread butter on the toast.
I pour my coffee into a mug. I pour my coffee into a mug.
I sit at the table and eat breakfast. I sit at the table and eat breakfast.
I read the news on my phone while I eat. I read the news on my phone while I eat.
I enjoy my breakfast quietly. I enjoy my breakfast quietly.
I feel full and ready to start the day. I feel full and ready to start the day.
I wash the dishes after breakfast. I wash the dishes after breakfast.
I clean the table and wipe it dry. I clean the table and wipe it dry.
I pack my bag for the day. I pack my bag for the day.
I check if I have my phone, keys, and wallet. I check if I have my phone, keys, and wallet.
I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket.
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
I look in the mirror one last time. I look in the mirror one last time.
I smile and say, "Let's go." I smile and say, "Let's go."
I open the door and step outside. I open the door and step outside.
I lock the door behind me. I lock the door behind me.
I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop.
The air feels cool and fresh. The air feels cool and fresh.
I greet my neighbor on the way. I greet my neighbor on the way.
I listen to some music as I walk. I listen to some music as I walk.
I feel calm and happy as the day begins. I feel calm and happy as the day begins. I am ready for a new day. I am ready for a new day.
I feel strong and confident. I feel strong and confident.
I can handle anything that comes my way. I can handle anything that comes my way.
I am grateful for today. I am grateful for today.
I will do my best today. I will do my best today.
I am growing and improving every day. I am growing and improving every day.
English is becoming more natural for me. English is becoming more natural for me.
I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English.
I wait at the bus stop. I wait at the bus stop.
The bus arrives on time. The bus arrives on time.
I get on the bus and find a seat. I get on the bus and find a seat.
I tap my card to pay for the ride. I tap my card to pay for the ride.
I look out the window while the bus moves. I look out the window while the bus moves.
I listen to music on my headphones. I listen to music on my headphones.
I check the time on my phone. I check the time on my phone. I take a short break after finishing a task. I take a short break after finishing a task.
I stretch my arms and legs. I stretch my arms and legs.
I grab a cup of coffee or tea. I grab a cup of coffee or tea.
I chat with a colleague for a few minutes. I chat with a colleague for a few minutes.
I check my schedule for upcoming meetings. I check my schedule for upcoming meetings.
I write a few quick notes in my planner. I write a few quick notes in my planner.
I feel refreshed and ready to continue working. I feel refreshed and ready to continue working. I plan something fun for the day. I plan something fun for the day.
I call my friends to hang out. I call my friends to hang out.
I go for a walk in the park. I go for a walk in the park.
I take some photos of nature. I take some photos of nature.
I stop by a cafe and enjoy a latte. I stop by a cafe and enjoy a latte.
I smile at people I meet. I smile at people I meet.
I feel peaceful and relaxed. I feel peaceful and relaxed. So, to everyone shadowing with us, you've just spoken through an entire morning in English.
From waking up to going out, and even relaxing on weekends, that's real daily English.
Remember, these sentences aren't just vocabulary, they're actions. You live them every day.
And the more you say them out loud, the more natural they become.
Exactly. That's the key to shadowing. Speak, listen, repeat.
So keep practicing these morning phrases. You can even shadow us daily while you're brushing your teeth or making breakfast.
That's the beauty of learning English the EngGlowUp way, turning everyday moments into English learning.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who want to speak English naturally.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part of your morning routine?
We'd love to feature some of your answers in our next episode.